Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the College Football 26 Team Builder. This powerful tool allows you to create completely custom teams, bringing your unique vision to the virtual gridiron. You can design everything from mascots to stadium details, making your college football experience truly personal. It offers an immersive way to deepen your gameplay. Get ready to build your ultimate program and compete with unparalleled strategy. Start by navigating to the Team Builder menu and selecting the Create New Team option. Here, you will define your program's core identity, including a unique name, home city, and a fitting mascot. Carefully choose your team's primary and secondary colors, ensuring they reflect your vision. You can also upload or select a custom logo. Finally, set your team's initial prestige level, which impacts recruiting and game difficulty. Once your team's identity is set, it is time to build your roster and playbook. You can create individual players, meticulously adjusting their attributes and skills across offense, defense, and special teams. Afterward, dive into customizing your playbook, adding your favorite formations and plays that align with your team's strengths. This level of detail allows you to craft a perfectly balanced or uniquely specialized squad, ready for any challenge. After finalizing all aspects of your custom team, make sure to save your progress carefully within the Team Builder. Your newly created program will then be available for selection in various game modes, such as Dynasty mode or an exhibition match. Before committing to a full season, quickly confirm that your team loads correctly with all your custom elements intact. Now, you are fully equipped to dominate the virtual college football landscape with your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.